Welcome to today's 1031 Fun Fact. In any business, you've got quirky acronyms and different sayings for different things. In the 1031 exchange world, we have the Napkin Test. The Napkin Test is a quick exercise to determine the potential for exposing taxable assets or boot in the exchange. So how did the Napkin Test get its name? Well, it was literally conceived on a napkin at a seminar by California tax attorney Marvin Starr of Miller, Starr and Regalia. The calculations compare the relinquished and replacement properties and determine if the exchanger is trading across or up in value, equity, and mortgage. Please note that a reduction in mortgage can be offset by adding cash, and I'll dive into the mortgage scenario in my next video. Now that the Napkin Test has been reviewed, let's talk about boot. Boot is unlike property received in the exchange. Going down in value or pulling cash out at closing can cause boot. Many people improve their property prior to selling in order to receive the highest value. What they may not realize is that paying invoices for other services at closing, such as repairs, staging, or even paying off a home equity line of credit, can also trigger tax in an exchange. When doing an exchange, always talk with your CPA first, grab a napkin, work that napkin test, and certainly don't let the boot kick you in the assets. Enjoy your day. Feel free to leave a comment and check out 1031exchange.com for more information. Cheers.